Finding the right photo manager can make iPhone photo cleanup fast and easy. With so many options, choosing the best one can be tricky. Here are the 9 best photo organizing apps for 2025. Let's dive in. 1. Best iPhone Photo Manager for PC Assistant for iOS. Struggling to find photos or free up space on your 64GB 128GB iPhone? MyPics Assistant for iOS when Mac makes photo management easy. It also handles contacts, messages, music, videos, and more. Step 1. Run the program and connect your iPhone to a computer. Download and install the Assistant for iOS program on your computer. Connect your iPhone using the original USB cable, and the program will automatically detect and analyze your iPhone. Step 2. Manage your iPhone offline. On the left side of the screen, click on Photos. The program will show all the photos from your iPhone. You can choose Select All to pick all photos at once and manage them easily. 2. Google Photos. Google Photos is a cloud-based app for storing and organizing your photos and videos. It's easy to use and automatically backs up your media, making it a popular choice for both Android and iPhone users. 3. Flickr. Flickr is a popular platform for photographers, offering an iPhone app that lets you access its tools and community anytime. On Flickr, you can upload your photos, organize them into albums, and share them with over 100 million users, including both professionals and hobbyists. 4. Slidebox. Slidebox is a user-friendly app for organizing photos on your iPhone. It works directly with the iPhone's Photos app, making it easy to sort, delete, and manage your photos with just a few taps. 5. Secret Photo Vault Keepsafe. Secret Photo Vault Keepsafe is an iPhone app focused on keeping your photos private and secure. It's great for organizing your photos by date or album, and offers some solid security features, like passcodes for the app and individual albums. 6. MyPics. MyPics is a versatile app for managing photos and videos on iOS devices. It offers a range of tools to organize and customize your media, making it a great alternative to the default Photos app. 7. Mylio Photos. Mylio Photos is a powerful and well-designed app for storing iPhone photos, with some impressive AI features that make managing your pictures a breeze. 8. Mixbook Photobooks. Mixbook Photobooks is one of the best apps for turning your photos into stunning photo books. Whether you're making a special gift or preserving memories from a recent trip or family gathering, this app makes it easy to create beautiful, high-quality photo books. 9. Clever Cleaner. Clever Cleaner, a cleanup app, is one of our top picks for cleaning up your photos. It automatically groups similar photos, screenshots, live photos, and large files for you,